What is the Adirondack 46er hiking challenge? Have you ever wondered what it takes to conquer the majestic peaks of the Adirondack Mountains? The Adirondack 46er hiking challenge is a thrilling adventure for hikers who want to climb all 46 of the traditionally recognized high peaks in this beautiful region of New York. These peaks are known for their stunning views and rugged terrain, making them a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Originally, these mountains were identified as being over 4,000 feet in elevation. However, later surveys revealed that 4 of them are actually slightly lower than that mark. Despite this, the original list of 46 peaks remains the standard for this challenge. The challenge is not just about reaching the summit. It involves hiking all these peaks, which are scattered throughout the Adirondack mountain range in upstate New York. Some of these mountains do not have official trails, so hikers often relying on informal paths created by previous hikers. This means good navigation skills are essential, as trail markings can be minimal or even absent. To become an official Adirondack 46er, a hiker must successfully summit all 46 peaks and then register with the Adirondack 46er organization. This organization is a volunteer group that supports hikers by providing registration, recognition, and a sense of community. They also focus on trail maintenance and outdoor education to help protect the natural environment of the Adirondack High Peaks wilderness. For those looking for an extra challenge, there is a Winter 46er distinction. This requires hikers to complete the challenge during the winter season, which runs from December 21st to March 21st. To earn this distinction, additional registration and fees are required. The Adirondack 46er hiking challenge is known for its physical and navigational difficulty. The terrain can be steep, rocky, and often remote, making it a true test of endurance and skill. Completing this challenge is not only a personal accomplishment but also a way to engage with the natural beauty of the Adirondack Park, a significant state-protected wilderness area in New York. This challenge encourages outdoor recreation and environmental stewardship, reflecting New York's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. If you are ready for an adventure that combines hiking and exploration in the stunning Adirondacks, the Adirondack 46er hiking challenge may be just what you are looking for.